Before we get started with this video, I wanted to quickly mention that this video is in collaboration with my YouTube friend Lacey. Her channel name is The Happy Heart. I'm so excited to be working with her to bring you these amazing tips to help your house smell fresh and clean. Her channel has amazing content, and if you like decorating, cleaning motivation, if you're a homeschool mom or you look forward to grocery hauls, you would love her channel. I will have her video and channel linked in my description down below. Go over there and show her some love and let her know that Christy from the Has Fam sent you. All right, let's get into these tips. So for my first recommendation, I would say candles. Fill your house up with candles. That's the easiest way, I feel, it to get your house to smell amazing. So there are so many options out there for candles, and I know you can find a favorite scent of yours and just buy a couple of them and place them around your house, and it's one of the easiest ways to get your house to smell amazing. So my second recommendation would be to buy these plugins for the wall and buy the little wax cubes that go in them. It is so easy. I love to place these in the bathroom, and I also have this one placed on the front of my house. So all I have to do is click it on, and the light warms up the wax cubes in here, and it just gets the house smelling amazing. And it's so easy and it's so affordable. I have a few favorites. So at Walmart, they do have the Comfy Cozy available in the little wax cubes, and this is the flannel. I have not tried the flannel yet, but I was so excited that I found the Cozy Comfort in the wax cubes. Also, Scentsy has amazing smells. Scentsy is a consultant-based business, so you gotta find yourself a Scentsy rep, but they have so many good wax cubes. This one is the carrot cake one, and I love the way it smells. They have so many to choose from, so I know you will find something through Scentsy as well, and I feel like they're pretty affordable. The Walmart one was $2, which is a steal, so I highly recommend that you buy these little plugins. Third recommendation would be to remember to take out the trash frequently. Leaving trash for too long can create a smell that's hard to cover up with candles or any room spray. So remember to take out your trash regularly, not only from the kitchen, but also remember the bathrooms. Another tip that I have is to make sure to line your trash can in the bathrooms, because if you don't, sometimes the smell kind of penetrates the plastic and there's just no way of getting that smell out. You would have to go out and buy yourself a new trash can. So remember to line the trash in your bathroom, the trash cans in your bathroom. What I also love to do is to get the kitchen bags that are scented, because it helps. If I did forget the trash can for too long, it helps kind of mask the smell. But I love these Great Value brand, but I know there's so many brands out there that have amazing smells, so you have a lot of options. So my next recommendation to you would be to get cleaning supplies that smell amazing. My favorite are the Method sprays from Target. I love the smell of all of them. It's great to find products that smell amazing because you're always wiping down counters and tables and furniture. So if you have a smell that you really like and it just smells good, it already starts having your house smell refreshed and clean. My next recommendation for you would be to find a furniture spray. My favorite is the Febreze Tide Original Scent. I just think it smells clean and fresh. I love to spray this on my couches because I have 3 kids and they're always on the couch. They're on it sweaty, and you know, kids don't always smell amazing. So I love to spray my couch. You know, I do try to clean the cushion covers once a month at least, but you know, that's something that you kind of forget. So this spray is an easy fix. I feel like if you're in a rush or you didn't have time that month, just spray it down and it instantly refreshes the smell in the living room. It just smells clean. So I highly recommend you go out and get yourself some Febreze Tide. My next tip is to use a carpet and room refresher. I love these Glad powdered ones that you sprinkle on your carpet before you vacuum. This one's my favorite. It's a clean linen scent and it smells amazing, and it just really really helps your house just smell amazing. If you're gonna have guests over and you have, you know, it wasn't like a surprise guest and you have that morning to really vacuum, you're gonna vacuum anyway, sprinkle some of this stuff on the carpet and it just smells so good. I love this smell and I use it all the time, and they're so affordable, which is amazing. I highly recommend the Glad carpet and room refreshers. Lastly, my favorite room sprays to use are these Glad sprays. I love them and they're so affordable. I have these two for this season. They also have season sprays, which is awesome, and they were 97 cents at Walmart, which is a steal. This spray is the Glad Spray Nutcracker Delight Rich Hazelnut and Praline. It just smells amazing, perfect for the holidays. And my favorite smell for during fall, it's the Cozy Autumn Cuddle Heirloom Pumpkin Caramel Spice. It smells just like fall. I just love to spray this, you know, in the room, and it just gives it a good smell. It's great for a quick fix. If you have a surprise guest that's coming over, you can quickly go to every room and spray this up, and it just smells so good, and it smells fresh and clean, and your house is gonna smell like fall. It's gonna be amazing. So this is my last recommendation. Go out to Walmart and grab yourself one of these Glad room sprays. They're amazing. They have all kinds of smells, and they had so many holiday smells, which is awesome. I never knew they had them, so I was so excited to find the holiday smell. All right, Has Fam, those are all the tips I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. If you have any tips or recommendations for having your house smell amazing, please leave it in the comments down below. I love to read all of your comments. Also, don't forget to head over to Lacey's video and let her know that I sent you. I will have her video and channel linked in my description down below. Also, at the end of this video, I will have her face, and it's going to be clickable, and it will send you straight to her channel. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.